The soul of a bowl is in its inside curve. A bowl that has a perfect curve that is so beautiful and dynamic that it sings will come to life and bring joy to everybody who uses it. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect curve using this tool right here, a spoon. What sets this spoon apart from other spoons is its shape. It has the perfect shape along this back side. It's not too deep like a ladle. A ladle is too deep and it won't work as good as this spoon. The front side of it is also perfect shape. This tip part, it's not too pointy and it won't dig into your bowl, and you can use it as a rib itself. Like this spoon right here has too pointy of a shape, so it wouldn't work that good. You could file these down. I've done that where I've ground the tip down and it does work. But if you can find one that's perfect already, that'd be the best. This one also has a nice curve on the side. So we have 3 different dynamic curves that we can use. We can use this side, we can use the tip, and what I end up using the most often is the back side of the curve, or a combination of the front tip and the back side.
I believe strongly that if a bowl starts as a bowl, it'll be easier to finish it as a bowl. And why not use the same tool that you're going to eat out of with it to build it? So I'm going to use mostly the back edge of the spoon, hold it at a slight angle, and push down using part of that front edge as well. This is going to compress it and start it off as the perfect bowl shape, so it can end as the perfect bowl shape. Next, we're going to even the walls out using a crab pull. My left hand starts from the very center of the bowl with that index finger and squeezes towards my thumb on the outside. The whole time I'm doing this, my right hand is also gently squeezing some water and keeping the position of the bowl. I'm going to squeeze and lift up and out. Again, we're trying to keep this a bowl shape the entire time. That's the key to making a beautiful curve. Notice how my inside hand starts at the very middle of the bowl and then goes in to meet my thumb at the outside. Again, what we're trying to do is keep this a bowl shape the entire time. And this really helps to begin all of your pulls from the very middle. And just think about roundness and curves the entire time. Our goal is to get the walls thinned out at this point, but not thin the bottom out so much that it collapses or gets beginner's hump. So the wall should taper, going from thicker at the bottom to thinner at the top. I'm also using my hands to pull outward to get the desired curve and the desired width of the bowl. Finally, we use a sweeping motion with our spoon, and the thinness of our handle makes it easier for us to get our hands in there and perfect the curve. I like to start off from the top part of the bowl and go to the inside, but it does work going the other way. Just a personal preference for me to start at the rim. We'll save the drying, trimming, finishing, and glazing for another video. Let me know if this technique worked for you. Where did you find your perfect spoon?
Now, I've recently picked up the bull's tongue from Mud Tools, and I honestly can't wait to try it out. It does look like a pretty good companion to the spoon. So in my next video, I'll be making a comparison between these two, and I think there might be a good case to get this bull's tongue. Looks like an excellent tool, and it has a lot of the things I like about the spoon in common. So I'll see you on that next one. Thanks for watching.